Hey, this is Joan Pratt with Remax Professionals, and I've got a little secret to tell you. We are doing a sneak peek of this amazing farmhouse here on 5 acres today, and I am so excited to show it to you. So, I'm gonna tell you the address, but yes, definitely tell your friends too. So 1121 Glade Gulch Road in Castle Rock. We are in Bell Mountain Ranch. We are on the top of a hill. We have a main floor master, plenty of space for everyone. There's a garden, there's views, everything that you could desire, and there's even a place to build your secondary structure, guys. So, what do you think? This is not our normal inventory that we have here in the neighborhood. This house has actually been renovated almost from top to bottom, including a new roof, new furnace, new AC, new granite. Actually, I think that's quartz. Beautiful wood floors have been refinished. The decks have been redone. And this home truly has something for everyone. So, upstairs here, we have 2 bedrooms on one side with a Jack and Jill bathroom in the middle and a secondary bedroom and bath. Then we also have the coveted main floor master suite that everyone wants. And it has a beautiful soaking tub in it and just all the things that you would want in your master suite. And then the basement is recently refinished. Actually, it's recently finished. And there's a beautiful guest suite there for mom and dad or family or whoever you want to put down in the basement. Come on, let's go take a look. Check out this beautiful, peaceful, spa-like bathroom with this gorgeous soaking tub and privacy. Parents, it's also a really cool way to keep an eye on your kids while you're sort of relaxing in the tub, and they're fenced in with their play structures and everything too. Take a look at the closet. We have some custom pullouts in here. There we go, there's some shirts in this one. More pullouts on this side. This is not built in, but I think you can get the idea of what you could do in this closet. And there's also a linen closet. And this one has plenty of space in it for your laundry. And for your princess costumes. There's a beautiful view from your bed. And these guys have a zip line up there. You can kind of see that a little bit where they slide down the hill. All right, there's lots to see. Let's keep going. The second family room could be used as an office, or for those of you that are like me and are homeschooling, this is a perfect space for homeschooling also. All the window coverings are included, and these are new Anderson windows. On the back side of the house and the front side have not been replaced yet. take a look at this beautiful guest bath that is getting completed right now in the lower level for all of your guests. There's a whole house filter as well as a water softener here. And then, as I always mention, these homes have fire suppression systems. So be sure to take a look at those here. All the components for it are back here on this wall. If you look closely, you will see inside these sprinklers, there is a red wax sealed thermostat, I guess is what it's called. And basically, if this area gets hot and not another area, the fire suppression will go off in this area, but not that one. So these are really great for these homes that are out on land where it does take a little while for the fire department to get here. Check out this handy shelf that they built for folding your clothes here in the laundry room. And there's even a built-in clothesline. Oversized garage complete with extra storage. You can even hang your bikes up from the ceiling in here because the ceilings are so tall. For the garden lovers, this home has a cherry tree, an apple tree, blackberry and raspberry bushes. And check out these sunflowers. They're at the end of their life right now, but they were actually over that fence before. How cool is that? There's even a little outdoor fire pit area. The play structure and the shed and the trampoline are all included. Did you notice the retractable awning? I love this beautiful front porch with these swings. Can't you just imagine having a glass of lemonade here, waving to the neighbors as they walk by while enjoying the beautiful mountain views? Well, what did you think? Could this be your next dream home? If it is, please hit us up at the number below. We'd love to schedule a private showing just for you. If it isn't, we understand, but we would love it if you would share this with a friend. You might be able to pick the perfect neighbors for this home. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on all of our sneak peeks before anyone else gets to. Make it a great day, and thanks for watching.